this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PC. So Black Ops 6 is a 2024 first-person shooter video game published by Activision. It is the 21st installment of Call of Duty series and is the 7th main entry in the Black Ops sub-series following Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. So in order to download this game, first of all you're going to open any browser in your system. After that, you're gonna search into the search box for Steam, and then you will be able to see here welcome to Steam link. So you're gonna click on this. After that, you should be able to see here the interface of Steam. And if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. You're just gonna type in here into the search box for Black Ops 6 and then hit enter. After that, you should be able to see here your game Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So you're gonna click on this. Then you will be redirected to the game page. In here, you're gonna scroll down until you find this option Add to Cart. As you can see here that you have different versions of this game. So you can just click on Add to Cart on the edition which you wanna buy. Then you're just gonna click on View My Cart. And as you can see here, this is all of the amount which you will be paying, which is $69.99. So you're just going to click on continue to payment. Then if you're not already logged in into your Steam account, they're going to ask you for your login credentials. So you're going to enter that. Then they're going to ask you for the OTP which they have sent to your email. So you're just going to open your email in a new tab, copy the code, and then you can just paste the code over here. After that, you will be logged in into your Steam account. And in here, you can just choose from different payment methods that how you want to pay for your game. Then you can just enter here all of your payment information, scroll down and then just click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library. And from there, you can play your game.